this book is to save you time and stress so that you can enjoy throwing a dinner party, having friends over, and not stressing out about it. I decided I needed to do a small plate cookbook. And we do have to throw some desserts in there because everybody needs a chocolate. And then from the experience of the first cookbook, I realized people are so visual. We have a lot of photos in there that my husband took. And people really like to know what something's going to look like. So we have got a photo for every single recipe in this cookbook. And because of my son, we can call it Cooking 101 because I got to 94 recipes and he said, Mom, how's the book coming? Are you about, is it coming along? Are you about finished with it? And I said, yeah, I'm at 94 recipes. We need the book to be 200 pages. Do the math with the contents and da-da-da. We should get up to about 200 pages like the first book because I wanted them to match. And he goes, you're at 94 recipes, really? Well, Mom, you need to keep going and go to 101 because that would be so good for marketing. Scott, you're killing me, really? But we did it. So this is literally Cooking 101. 101 photos, 101 recipes. And they're both full of tips, ideas, where to buy an unusual ingredient. This one has the grocery list broken up in the grocery store, like coconut milk. It's in the Asian can section. It's not in the dairy section, if you don't know that. I mean, some people don't know that. It seems easy to me, but it's not easy to everybody. So I want to take away any mystery of what you might need to put the recipes together. And I put some of my favorite shops in there and olive oil flavors, substitutions. If you don't happen to have all the crazy ingredients in your kitchen like I do in mine, olive oils and spices, then there are ways you can trade things out and still make them taste good.